Alright, so today we're looking at Spelling Star, and this is the free trial version, and we're going to look at some of the games they have. I'm going to start with first grade. And first we're going to look at the playing word search. You click on that. So then here you have all the words in the list. So basically this works as the same as any word search, except for you can change the list to any of these lists, which will all be first grade lists. You can also set the difficulty level and leave it at easy because we want to find it first. I would prefer the list to be over here so I could actually see both at the same time, but that doesn't seem to be an option. So you basically go and you find all the words. They can be, just like any other word search, across, up, down. And that's basically it for that game. Then check the other games. So we're going to go ahead and play the game Play Spelling Soup. We can choose the word list again. We can also choose the speed. I'm going to pick slow so that I can talk while it's happening. You're playing. Play. Nicely has the word list up there so you can
show.
So you can cheat.
Bell.
Not very well. You have to look fast, but you basically just catch the words with the ball. You move it with your mouse.
Sell.
The arrows do not work.
Yell.
And that's basically it. This does work with visual processing because you have to look fast, and if you notice, the words all look the same, so you really have to focus on the difference between the letters. Alright, let's try a different game. Let's try Play Mouse Maze. Again, you can pick the word list. This one does not show you the word list when you play. So basically here we're going to take Herbert the mouse through the maze and collect all the cheese. For mouse, we're going to use the arrow keys here. And you have to use the arrow keys because clicking with the mouse does not work. So some of the games you use the mouse, some of the games...
Shell. I found a pretty shell at the beach. Shell.
And you type the word and you hit enter and you have to collect all the cheese.
Bell. Did you hear the bell on the boat? Bell.
So like even you would not normally go down this path on the on an actual maze, but you have to go through it here.
July. July is the perfect time to go on vacation. July.
And the letters have to be capitalized if it's a month, because otherwise it will mark it wrong. It is case sensitive. But you wouldn't normally go down here on a normal, normally when you do a maze, but you have to collect all the pieces of cheese, otherwise it doesn't let you finish it.
Tell. Let me tell you a story about lobsters. Tell.
So just have to get all the pieces of cheese.
Fell. I almost fell down on the sand. Fell. Sell. I tried to sell my sandcastle. Sell. Towel. The beach towel is yellow and orange towel. Yell. Please don't yell at the dog. Yell.
I like the way that the words in the list do have similar sounding words so that you can really work, well, that you can work on differentiating between the sounds.
Beach. The beach is only 1 mile from here. Beach.
But again, it works mainly on memorization of words. There's at least none of these in the free one have phonetics.
Spell. I can spell anything. Spell.
And then we're done with this one. Grade words, and this one's kind of nice too. Play Crazy Fish. And again, you can choose the word list and the speed. We're going to again choose, we'll leave it on medium. This one's a little slower.
Spell.
So we have to use the mouse to click. The up and down arrows do not work to move it. You have to be careful with this game because if for some reason you have it between the two, it picks up both of them and you lose a life. Again here, so you have to have it right on there.
Yell.
You can also, when you click it down too far and it doesn't pick up that bottom one. So you have to be careful that you get it right in the correct spot.
July.
Because there we'll pick up both. Oh, that picks up. Picks up both.
Sell.
See, and then
towel.
Lose the life when it picks up both, and that's about it. And when you get all the points you need to win, or you lose. All right, next game. Right, memory game. This works on your visual memory with the words. It makes you pay attention to the words. Having dyslexia myself, I actually find this a lot harder than pictures because yeah, I realize that I don't really pay attention to every letter. So, words kind of look alike and, and so, so you can say it does actually do something, but it's mostly working on your ability to pay attention to when you see words. And that's it for that game. And so I'm going to try one more game and I'll leave you on your own for the rest of them. This chop word, you basically...
Towel. The beach towel is yellow and orange towel.
This is where you type the words. And it tells you if you're correct or not.
July is the perfect time to go on vacation. July.
And I'm pretty sure this will tell me it's wrong because it is not capitalized. See, that'll come up as incorrect because the capitalization needs to be correct. It is case sensitive.
Beach. The beach is only 1 mile from here. Beach.
But this one will probably tell me I'm wrong if I capitalize it. Oh, no, it did. Yeah. So.
Yell. Please don't yell at the dog. Yell. Sell. I tried to sell my sandcastle. Sell.
Right, and that's pretty much how this game works. And that will be all for today. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you try spelling star. All right, bye.